Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So yesterday was a false breakout. So that's what I told yesterday. This might not sustain, right? See, I don't see any reason for the markets to going up. You know that FIAs or institutions are having heavy short position in spite of Adani, Hindenburg, dark waters all shorting the market. There was no reason for markets to go up, and it was evident today. And we know what happened. Bank Nifty almost went down by more than 700 points. Nifty went down by more than maybe 200 points, right? So 17,900 is very crucial for Nifty. So if 17,900 is going to be taken out, we are going to see downward trajectory. But don't worry, it is not going to happen like I'm not trying to say that market is going to go to 15,000 or 16,000. Maximum what? If 17,900 is taken out, maybe it will go to 17,500. And if Bank Nifty 41,000 is taken out, maybe it will go to 40,500 levels. That's it, right? So nothing much is going to happen. We'll talk about that, and let me tell you, futures, index futures, short positions are increasing, and institutions are increasing short positions in futures. We'll talk about that. Before that, do consider joining our Telegram channel. In fact, today morning I was giving a running commentary in Telegram channel. What is going to happen, what is not going to happen, so on and so forth. So this is our Telegram channel where we discuss lots of things regarding stock market, price action, strategy, so on and so forth. So today morning only I told them Bank Nifty exact rejection at 41,300, and it rejected. Then it came down it touched almost 41,000, right? But 41,000 sustained somehow. So that is very interesting thing. And one more interesting thing which happened today was, today morning when I saw the market, Bank Nifty was moving on the higher side, and Nifty was moving on the higher side. It gapped down around 150 points. It tried to touch around 18,000. It tried to go beyond 18,000, but it couldn't go. But at the same time, Bank Nifty was coming down like anything. It was crashing like anything, right? Let me zoom this out. So if you can see this one, 41,300 was a very stiff support. That support was taken out. Then we saw directly 41,000. But it is very fortunate we closed above 41,132. Tomorrow we don't know what is going to happen. As I talk to you, US futures are all in the red, and Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq 500, everything is down by more than 0.5%. And let me tell you, you are not going to make money in this market, right? If you are trading weekly options, or if you are into short-term options, it is very hard to make money in the market. And if you see today's price action last 10 or 15 minutes, or let me say last half an hour, VIX crashed drastically. And if you are someone who's trading in weekly option, you will find it very hard to trade in, make some adjustment or manage your position. That's why we always say go for at least 1 month option, or maybe 2 months option, right? That is the best thing you can do. I am sure this is going to happen for you if you are trading in weekly option. And I'll also tell you what is going to happen on Monday. If at all we gap down on Monday, let's say Dow Jones, US markets are all in the red, Europe is all in the red. Let's say it's down by 1%, okay? Hypothetically speaking, let's say Europe and US markets are down by 1%. I'm talking about Nifty, okay? Now what will happen tomorrow in the sense Monday we will gap down. Where we will gap down, right? We are at 17,000. We are above 17,900. We will gap down below 17,900, and 17,900 is a stiff resistance. Then if we gap down below 17,900, you know our markets, it will try to retrace 17,900. And if it fails to retrace 17,900, we will see 17,800 or even 17,700. So that is in terms of Nifty. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, we are at around 41,160 levels, right? To be precise, let me go to the chart. We are at 41,132 levels. Now, what is going to happen if the market gaps down? If market for one, if the US markets and Europe is down by 1%, Bank Nifty might gap down below 41,000. Now this 41,000 level is a very crucial level. If it goes below 41,000, again it will try to retrace and it will touch 41,000, or it will try to hold above 41,000. If the bulls are not able to take the market on Monday above 41,000, in case it gaps down, then we might see which levels? Around 41,500 levels. So this is what is going to happen. Mark my words, okay? If this is not happening, you can ask me, Umar, you told something and this is not happening. And of course, I can tell you, I am a person who makes so much mistakes, and these mistakes I have learned a lot. From these mistakes I have learned a lot. Not only this chart is saying so many information, these are all very simple things which you can analyze in the chart. When you see in the open interest wise also, you can see that 18,000 is having the highest open interest. We are somewhere around 17,900. People smart money are writing 18,000 call option. So that is evident that people smart money wants the market to go down. So that's why I told there is no reason for the markets to go up. So 18,000 above, 18,000 call option, 18,200 call option, 18,300, 18,400. Call options are being written aggressively, and when it comes to Bank Nifty, I'm sure 41,500 will be having the highest open interest. Today, people smart money have written 41,500 call option, which obviously means that market participant wants the market to go on the downside. So that is also evident that 41,500. So you can expect another 200 or 300 points downside both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Again, I am saying market is not going to go to, Nifty is not going to touch 17,000, or Bank Nifty is not going to touch 39,000. Nothing is going to happen. We will consolidate, then we have our DIIs, then they will bring the market up. Then FIIs are there, they will bring the market down. In between, we are stuck if we are trading in weekly option. If you trade in long-term option, you don't have to worry about all these things, right? So this is what you have to note. And market-wise participant, if you see, one thing I focus on, or I give importance to one figure, that is future index short and future index long of FIIs. That is very, very important. Now, if you note, or let me show you, if you see this chart, this one, FII change and FII change percentage, if you see on 15th, till 15th, they had just a 1,610 active contracts, 63% increase in a future index short. Now, if you change this to 16th, let's see what happens. Maybe they have increased to around from 1,00,000 plus to 1,06,047. They have increased. So significantly, they have increased the future index short. So what does that mean? If they are doing, see, futures is not like options, right? So you have to be sure, you have to be 200% sure if you are trading in futures, and people who trade in futures know about this. So that's why I'm saying, if future index short, they are increasing the position, means they are trying to bring the market on the downside. They are trying, smart money is believing, or smart money is thinking that the market may go on the downside. So that's what is happening here. So they have 70%, they have around 1 lakh plus contracts, active short contracts in futures. Open interest wise, 18,000 call option is having the highest open interest. Bank Nifty 41,500 call is having the highest open interest. So with all these things, you can assume that the markets are likely to go on the downside. Now I am saying again and again, market is not going to touch, Nifty is not going to go below 17,000, or Bank Nifty is not going to touch 39,000. In between, we may consolidate with a negative bias. So this is my stance here. So next week, maybe we will see towards Nifty going towards 17,500 levels, and Bank Nifty going towards 41,500 or 41,000, yeah, 41,500. I don't, sorry, not 41,000. 40,500 levels. So this is what I anticipate. Nothing to worry, don't panic. This is the market. We'll have to, whether you like it or not, we'll have to live with this. Nothing is going to happen. All you have to do is you have to do some really long-term strategies. You have to have a long-term perspective so that you can cut the noises in the weekly and monthly option. And to my surprise, you will be also surprised that both FIAs and DIAs are net sellers. FIAs have sold for around 624 crores and DIAs have sold for 85.29 crores. Now, all these days, you know what happened. FIAs were net buyers. That is because of only in Reliance, only in oil and gas they pumped money. That was because of maybe windfall tax. Apart from that, all sector, they didn't do anything much on other sectors. So this is evident. FIAs are shorting the market. FIAs are having huge index short position. They have sold for around how much? 1,500 crores, sorry, 624 crores. DIS have sold for around 85 crores. 18,000 is having the highest call OI. Then 41,500 is having the highest OI. So you can assume that Nifty is going to go around 17,500 levels and Bank Nifty is going to go to 40,500 levels. Unless until there is very big positive news, nothing is going to happen. And I don't see any positive news as of now. And you know what is happening in the US market? US markets are super volatile. You forget about the US market. Even the US futures are super volatile, right? I think I have summarized everything. I'll see you in another video, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye.